Hello, my name is Viviana Delgado. In my fridge, there is a whole chicken. There are some strawberries. There is a slice of cheese. There are a few eggs. There is a bottle of milk. There is a piece of fish. There are some bananas. There are a lot of grapes. There isn't much butter. And there is a loaf of bread. Bye bye.